If you think cabbage is boring, that's because you've been making it wrong. Because this dirty cabbage recipe I'm about to show you ain't nothing boring about it. You hear me? It's packed with seasoned beef, tender cabbage. We got some bacon in there. I'm telling you, this recipe is absolutely delicious. Let's get into it. To get started, you're gonna get yourself one medium-sized cabbage. We're going to cut the core out. We're going to slice it right in the middle. And then we're going to cut it again. Now we're just going to slice it like this, okay? Make sure you remove the core, actually, this part. And then we're just gonna chop it like this. Make sure you watch your fingers. Just like this, okay? Remove the core, of course, because that part will make it a little bit bitter. Now we're going to add it to a bowl of water. Make sure you wash your cabbage really good. Okay, add some vinegar in here and wash it really good. Now we're going to cook the bacon. Just add that in and we're just going to let the bacon get nice and crispy. All right, we're going to remove the bacon so we can set it aside for now. They look very crispy, okay? And as they sit, they become more crispy. If you didn't know that about bacon. I'm actually using ground beef, and also I'm going to be using some Italian sausage. I mean, if you don't like pork, just leave it out. But I'm just gonna add that in. It's going to be meaty, hearty. Ooh, carefully remove that. You're just gonna press it down like this. All right, now I'm going to flip it. Now I'm going to flip it over. I like to get that side to be nice and gray before I season it. So just flip this side over. Just like so. Perfect. Just gonna break it down. While that is frying, I'm going in with some tomato paste. Okay, about 2 tablespoons. And I like to add it in the middle to fry it as my ground beef is cooking. And also we're going in with some minced garlic, about 1 tablespoon. Just let it fry so we can get rid of that tomato paste flavor. Now is the perfect time to season. So I'm going in with my Island Vibe Cajun seasoning and my Island Vibe everything seasoning. You don't have to use it, but at the same time, if you want to get you one, you can go on my website and grab the Island Vibe seasoning on islandvibecooking.com. I have a Italian seasoning in here, chili powder and some paprika, ground black pepper and salt, okay? Mix it up, and we do have some Worcestershire sauce as well that's going in. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Break those pieces apart. This is a wholesome recipe. Now I'm adding my bell peppers, my onion. Looking good, smelling good. Oh, yes, yes, yes. That is optional, but I'm adding some jalapeños to make it nice and spicy. I removed the seeds, so it's not gonna be extremely spicy, just to give it that kick. I want to make this as hearty and wholesome as possible. We're going to add some potatoes, okay? Diced up potatoes. This is filthy cabbage. You add whatever your heart desire. Now I'm adding my cabbage right in. I'm going to fold everything together. I'm just gonna let it steam all together. Oh, it smells so good, y'all. So good. All right, now we're going to cover it. Allow the cabbage to get nice and tender for about 15 to 20 minutes and until our potatoes are nice and tender. All right, guys, our cabbage is done and it smells amazing, okay? Look at that. Look at this, y'all. Now let's add in the bacon, okay? And give it a nice mix, y'all. Look at that. Oh, smells so good. And it's pretty much done. Turn off my stove. That looks amazing, y'all. Let's go ahead and plate it. Oh, oh, oh. Beautiful. It is time for the moment of truth, you guys. This is so hot. It smells amazing, hearty. Let's give it a try. Wow. Listen, this is so good. My goodness. My goodness. Wow. If you love cabbage, this is it. Wow. The potatoes tender, extremely flavorful, amazing. Wow, that's it. I hope you guys enjoy this. Let me know if you're going to try this tonight, because if you're a cabbage lover, this is the recipe right here. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoy it, and also comment. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.